Hi everybody, we're here in the great outdoors enjoying the wonderful weather that God has created. Would you like to be able to spend time in the outdoors, spend time with family, friends, be financially free? Then click the link below.
Uh, we came across an ad on social media when we were listening to music, and it's from a successful couple that have run a successful online business. And we have been interested to look for an opportunity that is going to help us, support us. And we saw this was the right thing. This couple have been able to pay their debts, support family, save for their future, and even support ministry and do a lot of things in the community. And we saw it is exactly like what we have been looking for. And we signed up, we attended a free workshop, like similar to the one that we are inviting you to attend. And our lives have changed. We have seen a tremendous change in our lives. And if you're someone who is interested to see a change, a financial change in your life, to be able to pay off your debts, we encourage you, please click the link below and sign up with your name and email address, and we'll send you information.
For a free webinar, totally free.
Yes, it is totally free.
Now, so we were in a financial crunch, and so we clicked on that link, and it's changed our lives. This it's a community. If you're willing to put in the work to be financially free, after the work has been done, the system works for you. There's a bunch of instructions that needs to be followed line by line, and if you follow those instructions, you're working your way towards a financially free lifestyle. So we encourage you to click the link. Again, it's just a community of people that work together for the better lives. The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of his hands. Day after day they pour forth speech. The Lord loves you. Have a good day.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
we look forward to seeing you on the inside. Click the link, sarahkaraoke.net. God bless you.